Craving crispy fries, juicy wings, or even dehydrated snacks without the guilt of deep frying? This Gourmia air fryer oven digital display, 7 quart. Large air fryer cooker, GAF716, is here to transform your cooking game. As the #1 best-selling air fryer brand in the USA in 2022, Gourmia delivers a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly appliance that makes healthy, delicious meals a breeze. Whether you're a busy parent, a college student, or a health-conscious foodie, this air fryer is designed to fit seamlessly into your life. Let's dive into why this kitchen gadget is a must-have, exploring its features, benefits, and real-world performance, all while sprinkling in some trending hashtags for the social media savvy. Shiwa healthy cooking, Shiwa air fryer recipes, Shiwa kitchen gadgets, Shiwa easy meals, Shiwa foodie life. Why choose the Gourmia GAF716 air fryer? Cooking can be a chore. Greasy pans, long prep times, and calorie-heavy meals often make it hard to enjoy homemade food. The Gourmia GAF716 solves these pain points with its innovative FryForce 360 technology, which circulates superheated air to cook food evenly and quickly with little to no oil. This 1700-watt powerhouse cooks up to 30% faster than a traditional oven, meaning you spend less time in the kitchen and more time savoring your creations. From frozen fries to whole chickens, its 7-quart XL basket handles it all, making it perfect for families or meal preppers. But it's not just about speed. This air fryer is a multi-function marvel, offering 12 one-touch cooking presets for everything from air frying and roasting to dehydrating and reheating. The included Gourmia cookbook sparks inspiration with recipes for crispy fries, dehydrated pet treats, and more. Plus, its dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a snap, so you can focus on enjoying your meal, not scrubbing pans. Key features that set it apart. Let's break down what makes the Gourmia GAF716 a standout in the crowded air fryer market. FryForce 360-degree technology delivers crispy, golden results with up to 90% less fat by using hot air instead of oil. Say goodbye to greasy meals and hello to guilt-free indulgence. 12 one-touch cooking presets. Air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, reheat, and more with a single tap. Perfect for fries, wings, seafood, vegetables, and even baked goods. 7 quart. XL basket, 20% larger than many competitors, this spacious basket fits whole meals, ideal for families of 4 to 6 or batch cooking. 1700-watt power. Cooks food 30% faster than traditional ovens, saving you time on busy weeknights. Guided cooking. Prompts. The angled digital display notifies you when to add or flip food, ensuring perfect results every time, even for beginners. Dishwasher-safe components. Non-stick basket and crisper tray go straight into the dishwasher for hassle-free cleanup. Sleek design. Black and stainless steel accents make it a stylish addition to any kitchen, from modern homes to dorm rooms. Comprehensive warranty, backed by a 1-year international warranty for peace of mind. Bonus cookbook. Packed with recipes to kickstart your air fryer journey, from snacks to full meals. Benefits that make it worth every penny. Healthier cooking. With up to 90% less fat, you can enjoy fried favorites without the guilt, perfect for those watching their waistline. Time-saving efficiency. Cooks 30% faster than ovens, ideal for busy schedules, and the large basket means fewer batches. Versatile and easy to use. 12 presets and guided prompts make it beginner-friendly, while its multifunctionality replaces multiple appliances. Who is this air fryer for? The Gourmia GAF716 is perfect for busy families. The 7-quart basket feeds 4 to 6 people, and one-touch presets simplify weeknight dinners. Health-conscious cooks. Fat removal technology ensures low-calorie meals without sacrificing flavor. College students. Its compact, stylish design fits dorms or small apartments, and easy cleanup suits tight schedules. Meal preppers. The large capacity and dehydrate function make it easy to batch cook snacks and meals. Gadget lovers. If you love versatile, high-tech kitchen tools, this air fryer's multifunctionality will thrill you. Why buy now? At a fraction of the cost of premium brands like Ninja or Instant Vortex, the Gourmia GAF716 offers comparable if not better performance backed by a 1-year warranty. Its sleek design, large capacity, and health-focused features make it a no-brainer for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen. Whether you're air frying, roasting, or dehydrating, this appliance delivers restaurant-quality results at home. Plus, with the included cookbook, you'll never run out of ideas. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.